Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best flour for baking is probably one of the most essential ingredients in any kitchen, forming the foundation for everything from delicate pastries to hearty breads, and choosing the right one can elevate your baking from good to absolutely spectacular, making it a crucial decision for any home baker looking to achieve professional results and unlock their full culinary potential with every delicious creation. Number 5. King Arthur Measure for Measure Gluten-Free Flour. Discover the joy of baking without gluten. Our all-purpose flour is designed to be a simple 1:1 substitute for traditional wheat flour, making your favorite recipes accessible again. Achieve the same great results you expect from wheat flour. This blend seamlessly replaces it in cookies, cakes, muffins, and more, ensuring delicious outcomes every time. We are committed to quality ingredients. This flour is non-GMO and kosher certified, giving you peace of mind with every bake. From delicate cakes to hearty muffins and chewy cookies, this versatile flour empowers you to recreate all your beloved baked goods without compromise. This convenient 3-pound bag provides ample supply for all your baking adventures. Enjoy consistent, high-quality results for all your gluten-free creations. What we like. This option is a fantastic 1:1 substitute for traditional wheat flour, making your gluten-free baking seamless. If you're looking for a reliable all-purpose flour that caters to dietary needs without compromising on results, this is your go-to. It's perfect for anyone needing to bake for gluten-sensitive individuals or those simply wanting a versatile, high-quality gluten-free option. What people say. This flour is finely milled, resulting in a smooth texture perfect for delicate pastries. The high protein content makes it ideal for bread making, providing excellent structure and chewiness. It has a neutral flavor profile that doesn't overpower other ingredients, allowing the true taste of your baked goods to shine through. Number 4. Gold Medal Premium Bread Flour, 5 pounds. Introducing Gold Medal's premium quality bread flour. Perfect for all your baking needs. Achieve professional results with this finely milled flour. It's designed to give your baked goods the perfect texture every time. This generous 5 pounds bag ensures you have enough for multiple baking projects. It's a staple for any home baker. Experience the difference quality makes. This flour is milled for exceptional performance in every recipe. Elevate your homemade bread, rolls, and more. It's the secret ingredient for delicious, perfectly risen baked goods. What we like. With its high protein content, this flour is specifically designed for superior gluten development, essential for crusty breads. If you are serious about baking artisan loaves, bagels, or anything requiring a good chew, you should definitely consider this. It's the professional's choice for achieving that perfect bread texture every time. What people say. This flour is finely milled and creates a wonderfully light and airy texture in cakes and pastries. The consistency of this flour is excellent, making it easy to work with for all types of baking projects, from bread to cookies. It has a neutral flavor profile that doesn't overpower other ingredients, allowing the true taste of your baked goods to shine through. Number 3. Gold Medal Premium Self-Rising Flour, 5 pounds. Experience the gold medal difference in your baking. Our premium self-rising flour is crafted for consistent, delicious results every time. Achieve perfect cakes, biscuits, and more with ease. This flour has the leavening agents already included, simplifying your baking process. We use only the finest ingredients to ensure superior quality. You can trust it for all your favorite recipes, from fluffy pancakes to tender scones. This convenient 5-pound bag provides plenty of flour for all your baking needs. It's perfect for families and avid bakers alike. Elevate your home baking with a flour that's designed for success. Get ready to impress with perfectly risen and delightfully textured treats. What we like. This flour comes pre-mixed with leavening agents, offering ultimate convenience for your baking projects. If you're looking for a shortcut to perfectly risen cakes, biscuits, and quick breads without the fuss of adding baking powder or soda, this is the one. It's ideal for beginners or anyone who values speed and consistent results in their baking. What people say. This flour is finely milled and creates a very smooth batter. It has a good gluten content, perfect for bread making. The flour is versatile and works well for cakes, cookies, and pastries. Number 2. Wholesome Yum Premium Blanched Almond Flour. Discover the secret to delicious, guilt-free baking. Our premium blanched almond flour is perfect for all your culinary creations. Enjoy your favorite recipes without the carbs. This flour substitute is ideal for those following a low-carb or keto lifestyle. Bake with confidence, even with dietary restrictions. It's completely gluten-free, making it a versatile choice for everyone. We use only the finest, non-GMO ingredients. You can trust that you're getting a pure and wholesome product for your kitchen. From cakes to cookies and beyond, elevate your baking game. This finely ground flour provides a wonderful texture and taste. Get a generous 1-pound bag of our high-quality almond flour. It's the perfect pantry staple for all your baking needs. What we like. This is a premium choice for those following a low-carb or keto lifestyle, offering a delicious nutty flavor. If you're seeking a gluten-free alternative that adds richness and depth to your baked goods while keeping carbs low, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for bakers who want to enjoy treats without derailing their dietary goals. What people say. This flour is finely milled, resulting in a smooth texture perfect for delicate pastries. The high protein content makes it ideal for bread making, providing excellent structure and rise. It has a neutral flavor profile that doesn't overpower other ingredients in recipes. Number 1. Gold Medal All-Purpose Flour, 5 pounds bag. Introducing Gold Medal All-Purpose Flour, your go-to ingredient for all your baking needs. This 5 pounds bag ensures you have plenty for every recipe. Whether you're baking cakes, cookies, or bread, this flour provides the perfect texture and consistency. It's designed to deliver reliable results every time. Crafted with high-quality wheat, it's milled to perfection for a smooth, fine texture. You can trust it for all your culinary creations. The convenient 5 pounds bag is ideal for families and avid bakers. It offers great value and ensures you won't run out mid-recipe. Make it the foundation of your pantry. This versatile flour is an essential for any kitchen, promising delicious outcomes. What we like. This is the quintessential all-purpose flour, a reliable workhorse for countless recipes. If you need a dependable flour for everyday baking, from cookies to cakes to thickening sauces, this is the standard to reach for. It offers great value and consistent performance, making it a must-have in any kitchen. What people say. This flour is finely milled and creates a wonderfully smooth dough. The consistency of this flour is excellent for all types of baked goods, from cakes to breads. It has a neutral flavor that doesn't overpower other ingredients in recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.